If you've been hearing people talk about Hermes AI Agent lately, there's a reason why. Because honestly, Hermes has become one of the fastest growing open source AI agents of 2026. Unlike a normal chatbot, Hermes can remember information use tools, automate, tasks create workflows, and connect to different platforms like Telegram and Discord. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up Hermes AI Agent step by step, even if you're a beginner first. What is Hermes Agent? Hermes Agent is an open source AI assistant created by Nuss Research. It works more like an autonomous AI system than a traditional chatbot because it can run commands, use tools, store memory, and improve workflows over time. Now, before installing Hermes, you need two things: a computer and an AI model provider. Hermes supports providers such as OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, OpenRouter, and local models through Allama. Now let's start with installation. Most tutorials use the official installer, which automatically installs the required dependencies. After installation finishes, open your terminal and run the setup process. This is where you'll connect your preferred AI model provider. You'll normally be asked to add an API key, which allows Hermes to communicate with the AI model you choose. Now, once the setup is complete, run Hermes for the first time and test a simple prompt. For example, ask it to summarize a topic, create a planar, perform research. The goal is simply to confirm everything is working correctly. Now, let's talk about memory, because this is one of the biggest features Hermes is known for. Unlike many AI tools, Hermes can store information and maintain context across sessions. That means you don't need to explain everything from scratch every time. And honestly, this is one of the reasons so many people are interested in it. Now, another important feature: skills, because Hermes can create reusable workflows called skills. Think of them like AI shortcuts. For example, you might create a skill for content research, writing reports, coding tasks, or social media workflows. Now let's talk about gateways, because Hermes can connect to external platforms, including Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, and other messaging services. For example, if you connect Telegram, you can chat with your Hermes agent directly from your phone, even while the agent runs on your computer or server. Now, another powerful feature: local AI models. Because many users connect Hermes to Allama, which allows AI models to run locally on their own hardware. This can help with privacy, lower costs, and offline workflows. Now let's talk about automation, because Hermes includes scheduling features that allow tasks to run automatically at specific times. For example, you could schedule daily reports, research summaries, reminders, or recurring tasks without manually starting them every day. Now, something very important: start simple, because many new users try connecting multiple platforms, dozens of tools, several AI providers, and advanced automations all on the first day. And honestly, that's where many setup problems begin. Several community guides recommend starting with one model provider and one workflow first. Now, let's be honest for a second. Hermes is powerful, but it's still more technical than a normal chatbot. You'll probably spend some time configuring settings, testing tools, and learning workflows. But once everything is working, it can become a very flexible AI assistant for automation, research, content creation, and productivity. So to wrap this up, to use Hermes AI Agent in 2026, install Hermes Connect, an AI provider, run your first test, promptable memory, create skills, connect messaging platforms if needed. Gradually expand your automations, because honestly, Hermes is one of the most interesting open source AI agent projects available right now.